In this video, we're going to show you how to install the rotor in your top load washer. So to install our new rotor, all we're going to basically do is just bring our rotor in close over the shaft, and you'll feel the magnets right away. Pull that on. You just want to line up your splines. Push it up into place. Give it a little turn, make sure it's nice and free and nothing's catching. And install the flat washer, the lock washer, and you want to put the nut back on. So don't forget, you'll want to put just a drop of blue Loctite on the threads, just ideally into the bolt, and put it on. Now that you have the rotor installed, we just have to put our protective bar across. Now I'll give them the same story I always give when I'm putting bolts into plastic. You want to put them into the hole, rotate them backwards a little bit till you feel it drop into the threads. And as soon as it does, then turn them clockwise so they start to thread. By doing that, you're putting the threads back into the original hole that they were in. If you don't drop them in that way, you potentially wind up starting to cut whole new threads in that plastic, basically removing more material from the hole and weakening the hole where the bolt goes. So rotate it backwards so you feel it drop into spot, and then you can tighten them up. And your repair is complete.